Daily stand-ups are a cornerstone of Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban. They are short, focused meetings designed to keep everyone on the same page and moving towards a common goal. Think of them as a daily pulse check for your team, a way to quickly identify roadblocks and celebrate wins. Imagine a team of developers working on a new app. Without regular communication, they risk duplicating efforts, missing deadlines, or heading in different directions. Daily stand-ups provide a platform for them to synchronize their work, share updates, and address any obstacles. The beauty of a daily stand-up lies in its simplicity and adaptability. It's not a problem-solving session or a status report marathon. It's a quick, to-the-point huddle that fosters transparency and collaboration. While stand-ups can be tailored to each team's needs, a typical agenda follows a simple structure. First, the meeting should have a designated time and place. Consistency is key here. Whether it's 9 o'clock in the morning sharp by the coffee machine or a quick virtual check-in, a regular schedule helps embed the stand-up into the team's rhythm. Next, it is vital to keep the meeting short. Aim for 15 minutes or less. This time constraint encourages conciseness and keeps the focus laser sharp. Remember, we want a quick pulse check, not a deep dive into every detail. Finally, encourage a culture of active participation. Everyone should have a chance to speak, even if it's just a quick update. This ensures that all voices are heard and fosters a sense of shared ownership. To maintain focus and brevity, many teams structure their stand-ups around 3 key questions. What did I accomplish yesterday? What will I work on today? Are there any impediments in my way? These questions, simple yet powerful, encourage accountability and bring potential bottlenecks to light. When answering, "What did I accomplish yesterday?" team members share their progress and demonstrate their contributions. This promotes transparency and allows everyone to see the bigger picture. The question, "What will I work on today?" shifts the focus to the present and the immediate future. It clarifies individual priorities and helps to identify potential areas of overlap or dependency. While the concept of a daily stand-up is simple, there are common pitfalls that can hinder their effectiveness. One common mistake is turning the stand-up into a problem-solving session. Remember, the goal is to identify roadblocks, not necessarily solve them on the spot. Another trap is allowing the stand-up to turn into a status report for the manager. Stand-ups are for the team, by the team. It's about shared ownership and accountability, not about micromanagement. To avoid these pitfalls, keep the focus on the 3 key questions, enforce the time limit ruthlessly, and encourage a culture of self-organization and problem-solving outside of the stand-up itself. Section 5, Time Management, Keeping it Snappy. Time management is crucial for effective stand-ups. Remember, the goal is a quick pulse check, not a marathon meeting. To keep things moving, encourage brevity. Each team member should aim to share their updates in under a minute. Visual aids like a task board or a digital Kanban board can be incredibly helpful. Instead of describing tasks in detail, team members can simply point to their progress, saving valuable time. If a topic requires further discussion, table it for later. This ensures that the stand-up stays on track and that deeper dives happen outside of the core meeting time. Section 6, Beyond the Basics, Boosting Engagement and Productivity. To prevent stand-ups from becoming monotonous, consider incorporating elements that boost engagement and productivity. One way is to rotate the role of facilitator. This not only shares the responsibility, but also empowers team members to take ownership of the process. Another idea is to use the stand-up as an opportunity for quick brainstorming or problem-solving. If a team member is facing a challenge, dedicate a couple of minutes for a focused discussion. Finally, don't forget to celebrate successes. A quick shout-out for a job well done or a milestone achieved can go a long way in boosting morale and motivation. Section 7, Real-World Stand-Ups, Success Stories from the Trenches. Let's look at a real-world example. A software development team at a tech startup was struggling with missed deadlines and miscommunication. They decided to implement daily stand-ups, using the 3-question framework and a physical Kanban board. Within weeks, they saw a dramatic improvement. The stand-ups helped them to identify bottlenecks early on, improve collaboration, and stay aligned on their goals. They also noticed an unexpected benefit. The stand-ups fostered a stronger sense of team spirit and camaraderie. This is just one example of how effective daily stand-ups can transform a team's workflow and contribute to project success. Section 8. The Big Picture Stand-ups in the Agile Galaxy. Daily stand-ups are more than just a meeting, they are a reflection of an agile mindset. They embody the values of transparency, collaboration, continuous improvement, and adaptability. By embracing the principles behind daily stand-ups, teams can create a culture of open communication, shared responsibility, and a laser focus on delivering value. Remember, the success of a daily stand-up, like any agile practice, hinges on the team's commitment to embracing the underlying principles and adapting them to their unique context. Section 9. Stand tall with effective stand-ups. In conclusion, daily stand-ups are an invaluable tool for agile teams. They provide a platform for daily synchronization, foster open communication, and help to identify and address roadblocks early on. By following the tips outlined above, teams can ensure that their stand-ups are engaging, productive, and contribute to their overall success. Remember, the key is to keep it short, focused, and action-oriented. Embrace the power of the 3 questions, leverage visual aids, and don't be afraid to adapt the format to suit your team's unique needs. When done right, daily stand-ups can become a powerful ritual that strengthens your team and propels you towards your goals.